Hello, this is Samo, and we're back with a video. And what we're doing now is this series is going to be called College Cookin'. And I graduated college last year, but I feel like I really made some good food for what I had my budget at. In college you have loans and stuff to pay off, and you need to keep healthy, but you have to eat on a good, on a low budget, pretty much. So. This is just gonna be a little series of meals that I make and how I'm gonna do them, and some tips and tricks on how to stay healthy in college and not just eat ramen noodles and microwavable crap all day and keep your nutrients up. So, hope you guys enjoy. As you can see, I'm repping the Bucks jersey here, Pittsburgh Pirates, baby. Let's go. But the first meal we're going to do tonight is going to be some gnocchi with a pasta sauce, some just a simple vegetable mixture, some broccoli, carrots, and cauliflower. You can use anything, like peas go really well with gnocchi, but I don't really have those tonight. And also these garlic knots. They're just like garlic bread. And they're really the basic ingredients you need. Some olive oils there, there's some butter, and then salt and pepper. So the first step is to boil a pot of water and separate your gnocchi out. I put about a cup, that's like the serving size. It's like 200 calories, which is pretty good for pasta. Carefully pour these bad mam jams in here. Boom. Oh god, I just got splashed in the hand. Pour those in there, and when they boil, they'll start like floating up to the top. Sometimes you gotta give them a little swirl. Also, throw some salt in the boiling water. It just helps it boil a little bit better. Keeps them separate, so that's it. And the best part about gnocchi and cooking them is they'll tell you when they're ready to come out of the boiling ass water. They're like, please take me out. Look how I'm floating at the top. This boy's ready to get out of here. Ready to get out of here and go into the frying pan. Usually, so gnocchi, boiling them at medium heat takes about, I'd say 7 to 9 minutes. Look at them. They're all ready. Once one goes up, the rest follow the lead. And that's why I love cooking them. They're so easy to tell. So let's take these buddies out. So it's a microwave. And carefully drain them. Oh, shoot. Drain them into a colander. Let those drain. Get your skillet ready. And this is where you can take gnocchi to a whole new level, is by throwing them in the frying pan with some, I use a little olive oil, then I start to mix in the butter after I put them in for a little bit. But it gives them this nice little crust on the outside. You can eat them either way. You can eat them, you don't have to eat them this way, but it gives them this little brown crust on the outside that's just amazing. Can't beat it. Cannot beat the taste. Let those simmer for, I'd say, about 4 to 5 minutes or so. At medium heat again. Keep it medium all the time. As you can see, after about 4 or 5 minutes, they develop a nice little brownish sort of crispy texture on the outside. Keep them in there for a little more. Turn the heat down to about pretty low. Then, instead of dirtying another dish or whatever, keep your life simple. You're in college. Just take the sauce and pour it on, and mix her up in the pan. You got to turn down the heat because it'll start to get a little wild up in here. Flip it a little bit. I'll watch for that. Turn it down a tiny bit more. Sim. Popping. This is the final product. Throw some Parmesan cheese on the gnocchi. Got your vegetables or a little bit of garlic bread, and it's a great meal. Took about 30 minutes to make. Not even 30, maybe 25. Hope you guys enjoyed, and subscribe for some more awesome cooking tips for anyone that is young and that's on a budget trying to cook some good ass meals. See you later, people.